Hello friends, how are you? So let us take example of the new sustainability related risk or ESG related risk. We will see the definition also for that risk. So the title of the risk is the risk related with stakeholder engagements. Okay. So the definition is like for stakeholder engagement, the definition is like involvement and communication with stakeholders. Okay, what can be the risk contributing factors like lack of transparency, then poor communication channels. Okay, these can be the risk contributing factor. What will be the risk impact of this? We can say stakeholders distrust and also dissatisfaction. Okay, then we'll get the risk impact of like limited support for corporate initiatives. Okay, which again can lead to certain legal and regulatory challenges. Of course, reputational and brand value damage. Okay, reputational and brand value damage. We can say like the risk impact can be like missed opportunities. For what? Missed opportunities for collaboration and innovation. Okay, innovation. Then what should be the risk controls for this? First of all, we need to have the stakeholder strategy, stakeholder engagement strategy. So we need to develop the stakeholder engagement strategy. Also, we need to go for regular communication, and also transparency in decision making. Then third risk control can be like we can say stakeholder consultation and feedback mechanism to be established. Okay, then also we can say inclusion of diverse perspectives. Also, we need to set certain accountabilities and also responsiveness to all the stakeholder concerns and expectations. So what we have learned in this risk case, the risk title is risk related with the stakeholder engagements. The definition of the risk is this stakeholder engagement is like involvement and communication with all the stakeholders, which will lead to certain type of impacts. But before that, we will see the contributing factors like lack of transparency, poor communication channels, which will lead to certain risk impacts called trust and dissatisfaction of the stakeholders. Also limited support for the corporate initiatives, legal and regulatory challenges, reputational and brand erosions, missed opportunities for collaboration and innovations. So how we can control this risk? Like we need to establish and develop stakeholder engagement strategies and implement that strategy, regular communication and transparency in decision making. Also, we need to have the feedback from all the stakeholders. So we need to set up the mechanism for consultation and feedback mechanism. Okay, then inclusion of diverse stakeholder perspective. Also we need to set the accountability and responsiveness to the stakeholders concern and expectations. Thank you very much friends. Let us start the new risk example.